Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this Sony Ericsson W550i. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Sony Ericsson W550i. Now this was released back in 2005. So just have a look at the phone a minute. It's the front. Here's the side. The volume rockers. The dedicated camera button. And the big speaker there. Obviously on the front you have the buttons and the screen. And the usual stuff. On there you have the lock button. And the play button for the music. On top here you have the power button on and off. And this little thing on top here. And it does open up like this. Yeah. Very cool. But then let's turn him on. As I said, there's the button here on top. Press him in. Right, it's asking me to thing, so I'll start up the phone. This one is actually unlocked to all the networks in the UK. Searching. UK Vodafone at the moment. I got a UK Vodafone SIM card in him. So, right then, let's have a look at the menu. Quick look. Games. That's the Walkman. Well, let's have a look at the ringtones a minute. I think, hang on, that's the top. Right, so here we go. Press play.
In your lower left jacket pocket, just kidding, that's the keys. Please check your other pockets. Come on, just take the call. Left, right, here I am. Doing good, it's getting warmer.
There you are. There's all your settings, profiles, wallpaper themes, Bluetooth, and all that sort of stuff. Let's try the camera a minute. Give the camera a little whiz. Oh, we have to close it up to show the camera. So hang on. Close it back up. We got. Here's the camera. And obviously you have all the usual stuff then, games and whatnot on there. All the usual stuff like the radio, alarm clock, all that stuff. Is the charger for it. Yeah. I'll ring him now. Right, here we go. It should ring now. And there you are. On. There's the lock key here. When it locks, you have to push this down here. Like so. And there you are. That is the Sony Ericsson W550i. And this was released, like I said, in 2005. So, as always, guys, thank you very much for watching. And I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much and bye!